Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Korean carbonara. Let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to Kwon's Corner, and Christmas is coming soon. And Korean Christmas is really different than American Christmas. American Christmas is all about happy family, eating together, have a really great time with the family. But in Korea, it's more like date night. Except religious people, like they go to church. But if you come to Korea for Christmas season, you can see a lot of Korean couples going out for dates. In Korea, if you're getting Korean food, it's not like fancy. You gotta get a Western food, like getting a pasta, pizza, or wine, and they celebrate with a cake and a wine and a pasta. Basically pasta. They usually get a pasta. So even in my company, they usually give me a coupon for a cake so I can celebrate with my girlfriend. And one of the most famous Korean pasta is Carbonara. That's really weird, but it's super different. I mean, when I was young, I thought that was the Italian carbonara. Last week, I made an Italian carbonara with the not with the Benjamin with the Babish. I copied the Benjamin with the Babish recipe, and it was really good. So I thought it would be good to show Korean carbonara so you guys can see the difference. And if you wanna see real carbonara, you can check here. Let's start it! To get started, we need a bacon. We need 2 or 3 strips of bacon, but I like bacon, so I'm gonna add 4. Cut it into 1 centimeter thick slices. After you slice it, put it to the side. And then we need a half an onion, so I'm gonna slice it into half. And slice thinly. And put to the side. What's the Christmas song? 울면 안 돼. Hey, 울면 안 돼. Hey. 루돌프 사슴 코는 매우 반짝이는 코. Next, get a bowl, milk, and fresh cream. In real carbonara, you don't use milk or cream. You only use a cheese and egg. But in Korea, you need it. If you cannot find the fresh cream, you can just use the milk, so it doesn't really matter. Ratio of milk and a cream is 1:1, so we're gonna use 200 milliliter each. Next, we need 1 egg yolk and put it into the milk and the cream. It will give the sauce rich flavor, and whisk it well. After you whisk it well, put it to the side. Next, get spaghetti. I'm gonna put this much and I'm gonna cook it downstairs while I'm making sauce. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna cook it for 7 minutes. Get a pot and turn your stove on medium low. Put some olive oil. And we're gonna add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Once garlic is golden brown, we are gonna add onions and bacon. After 1 to 2 minutes, we're gonna add 3 or 4 pepperoncino. Just crush them. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip this part, but Korean carbonara is usually spicy. And after 30 seconds, we're gonna add our milk. Turn your stove on medium high. We're gonna wait until it boils. Once it's boiling, we're gonna turn it to medium. And we're gonna add our spaghetti. Mix well. And then we're gonna add a little bit of parmesan to thicken up the sauce. We need 1 slice of cheddar cheese and we're gonna put on top of it. It tastes really creamy. But we need some salt, so add a pinch of salt. This part is all depends on your preference, so add as much as you want. 미쳤다. 존맛. It tastes just like restaurant, I think. It's really good. Ooh, but it's Ooh, I like the heat that is coming after the cream. And once you're done, turn your stove off. And put cream and bacon on top. Parmesan for the decoration. That's it. Our Korean carbonara is all ready to eat. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Eating time! Ooh, not too sweet, not too dry. It's pretty good. Let's try. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have a really thick bacon and put on top of. 잘 먹겠습니다. Super different. Ooh, spicy. It is super duper different than a real carbonara that I made it last week. I think the spaghetti and a sauce is a lot thicker, but the sauce itself is lighter because we add like less cheese and add more milk. Right before it gets too greasy, the pepperoncino is hitting on my tongue. So it's not greasy at all. Usually Italian carbonara is cheesy and not creamy at all. The Korean carbonara is more like Alfredo, but just like a little hot, spicy Alfredo. I really like both. It's like for different reasons. Do you get what I mean? Like, even though they're both carbonara, I think it's totally different food. In Korea, we call this as carbonara, and the real Italian carbonara, we call it as a real carbonara. That's so weird, but yeah, I think it's totally different food. I can't choose which one I like more. It's like a mac and cheese and a spaghetti and a meatball. Sometimes I'll be in a mood for the macaroni and cheese, and sometimes I'll be in a mood for the spaghetti and meatball. I mean, some people like something more, but I like both. I cannot choose my favorite, but on Christmas Day, this is totally my favorite. So hopefully you can try this for your Christmas Day. So see you next week. 안녕! 있는 사이로 뚜뚜뚜 썰매를 타고 뚜뚜뚜 달리는 기분 뚜뚜뚜 설계도 하다 후후후 종이 울리고 뚜뚜뚜 장단 맞추니 뚜뚜뚜 힘겨워서 소리 높여 노래 부른다 함께 징글벨 징글벨 징글 워터벨 뚜루뚜루뚜뚜뚜루 See you next week. If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!